Hi, my name is Anneleen, and when I was in second grade, I learned how to crochet, and I actually always really liked it. And my parents even bought me a little book with different patterns in it so that I could learn how to make all kinds of different stuff. And then I stopped doing it, and now I want to try it again. Someone I know has this Instagram account called Crochets, and I love to see it. And so seeing her doing all of these crochet projects, it really made me want to crochet again as well. So here we are. I looked up a pattern on Ribbler, and Ribbler is a platform for different kinds of crochet and knitting patterns, and it's like a little community. You can talk to people and stuff like that. I just joined the site. I have been following them on Instagram for a while, but this is the first time, like 10 minutes ago, that I'm actually on the site. And I found a little project that doesn't seem too difficult. I found my wool at a local thrift shop. I paid 50 cents for this, and it's a lovely light blue, like a baby blue. The stitches for this one are pretty easy. They're all stitches that I know. So far I only know that like a chain and a single crochet. So that is good for me. I probably should put my laptop over there. They are telling me to make a magic circle. I've done it before, but I don't remember how to do it. Also, I'm going to go find a different color. I want like the petals of my flowers to be different kind to the inside, so. I'll probably use white. This is also from the thrift shop, also 50 cents. Let me see how this tutorial goes. Let me just try again. Okay, so I made a magic circle. Now I have to chain one. Okay. Work 6 single crochets, close the circle, and slip stitch in the first stitch. No, I don't know. Oh, there's a video? Okay, I've done the magic circle. I've single crocheted once. I mean, I've chained once. Now I have to do a single crochet. Luckily, I know how to do those. Okay, one. Oh, okay, and then she does another one. This is what it looks like at the moment. I'm not very proud of what happened there, but let's just see how it goes. I finished the magic ring, I closed it up, and I think this is what it's supposed to look like at the moment. It looks like this. And it's really small, and now I have to join the blue yarn. I'm doing complicated stuff now. My camera stopped recording for a while, but I joined the blue yarn to the white yarn, and I had to do all sorts of crazy stuff. And I'm still not sure if I'm doing the right thing. Okay, so yarn over twice. I know about that, okay. And then we go into the same chain. I'm pretty sure she goes through 2 at once. Yeah, she does. I did it. It only took me like 10 tries. Okay, and now we try that again. Yarn over twice. 1, 2. Okay. The same stitch as before now. There we go. Okay, so I did that again. It looks like this now. And now I have to chain 1 and then slip stitch. I'm not sure what a slip stitch is. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what she's doing. And then she pulls it through again. I think we have our first petal, yay. I'm not sure if I'm doing this correctly. I mean, I'm pretty sure that I'm not doing this correctly. But I'm doing it, so. I thought this would be like an easy project, but it's evidently not. Okay, we have another petal, I think. I mean, almost. Okay, so we've got petal number 2. This is what it looks like up close at the moment. I have no idea how this will turn out. Like, I feel like I'm doing this the wrong way around. I feel like this should be the top part, but this part has all of the yarn coming out of it, so. For the other petals, I obviously have to do the same thing again. So I have to slip stitch into the next stitch. You know, I thought that I was going to be able to like do this and also talk to you at the same time. But as it turns out, this needs a lot more attention than I thought it would. Of course, I am a mere beginner. I have, you know, I can do like a chain and a single crochet and maybe even a double crochet if I look at it again, but I have no idea what like the, you know, the standard practices are. Like, no, I'm doing it wrong. 1, 2, yeah, there we go. Like, I once made like a hat for my brother, like a winter hat. It was basically just like double crocheting all the way around, like in a circle, until the beanie, I guess, was big enough. And then other than that, I made like a little bag, but that was, I have to say, like probably 10 years ago. Okay, and there we have another petal. I mean, this is starting to look the way it's supposed to look, right? Isn't it? I feel like it is. So let me just go on to the next one. Ah, no! My yarn just broke! I don't know how that happened. I guess I can fix this somehow. Maybe if I just take out this part and remove one chain. Oop. And just add a chain. Would that work? Yeah, I think it would. So I made the 4th petal, but it's looking kind of rough. Let me show you up close. Like, as you can see, it has like a very loose piece of yarn over there, but I'll just keep going and see what happens. So on to the next one. Well, I have 5 petals, but they don't look very good. Let me just show you. This is what my flower looks like at the moment. Like, this is the loop that I need to keep if I need to crochet any further, but it's looking kind of rough. This is how it turned out. I tried to weave in like the thread that was sticking out. Like, I tried it with the white ones, but you know, there's just always a little bit coming out, and I don't know how to fix that. So for now, it'll just be this. This is probably like the worst crocheted flower I've ever seen, but it is a start. I think when you look at it like this, no. This was honestly a weird video. I wish I had 2 cameras so that I could like show you how I was doing up close. but I don't at the moment. I thought I would be able to talk to you and talk about interesting things. Like, I watched a video by Lena Norms about friendships, and I had so many thoughts. I thought I would be able to talk to you about them, but this is the video. It's just me failing at this. I will probably try this again soon, maybe not this particular project, but I will try to make something else, and I will keep you updated on how that goes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of the day, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye!